Good morning, students. Take out your assistive book, Book A. Today we will read remaining part of chapter first in history, tracing changes through 1,000 years. And our topic is how did new social and political groups form? The 1,000-year period between 700 and 750 saw wide-running development in the subcontinent. There were economic, political, social and cultural changes as a result of different group of people arriving in the subcontinent. They brought with them new ideas and technologies such as the Persian wheel, the spinning wheel, firearms, new crops such as potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. One such group that gained political importance during this period was the Rajput, a term derived from the Sanskrit word Rajputra, meaning the son of a ruler. Between the 8th and 14th century, the term Rajput was used in general for a warrior who claimed the Kshatriya caste status. Beside the Rajputs, other groups such as the Marathas, Sikhs, Jat, Ahom, and Kayasth also gained prominence during this time. With time, the society became divided into groups. People were grouped into jatis or subcastes and were given ranks based on their background and occupation. See in this picture, you see the people from different social groups. The medieval period saw the rise and fall of many great empires by 700 CE. Our next topic is what changes did the formation of new regions and empires bring about? The medieval period saw the rise and fall of many great empires by 700 CE. The Indian subcontinent was divided into many separate regions. 700 CE. What do you mean by CE? CE means common era. 700 CE टाइम पीरियड में जो इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट था वो बहुत अलग अलग सेपरेट रीजन्स में डिवाइडेड था एंड ईच हैविंग इट्स ओन डिस्टिंक्ट जोग्राफिकल एरिया, लैंग्वेज एंड कल्चर, एंड एवरी रीजन हैज़ देयर ओन जोग्राफिकल एरिया, उनका अलग लैंग्वेज और उनका अलग कल्चर. ओके, रीजन्स वर ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद स्पेसिफिक रूलिंग डायनेस्टीज विच बैटल्ड विद ईच अदर. However, not all these dynasties were equally stable and successful. If you compare the duration of the rule of the Khiljis and Mughals dynasties, you will notice that the Mughals ruled for a far longer period than the Khiljis. जो अलग अलग डायनेस्टीज़ थी उन्होंने अपना रीज़न इस्टेब्लिश किया और वो जो सक्सेसफुल रही हैं सबका क्राइटेरिया अलग अलग है. अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो देखते हैं कि खिलजीज़ और मुगल्स में डायनेस्टीज़ में मुग़ल डायनेस्टी का जो रूलिंग पीरियड था वो काफ़ी लॉन्ग था कंपैरेटिवली खिलजीज़ के. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाट वर द डेवलपमेंट्स इन रिलीजियस ट्रेडिशंस. फ्रॉम द 8th to 18th century there were significant development in the religious traditions. This period witnessed important changes in Hinduism. People began to worship new deities and temples were constructed by the kings. इस टाइम पीरियड में 8 to 18th century के बीच वाले टाइम पीरियड में जो हिंदुइज्म ग्रुप था उसमें काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट चेंजेस आए. पीपल्स जो थे वो न्यू डाइटीज़ की वर्शिप करने लगे और किंग जो भी रूलिंग किंग थे उन्होंने टेम्पल कंस्ट्रक्ट करने स्टार्ट किए. एंड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ हाउ डू हिस्टोरियंस व्यू द पास्ट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हिस्टोरियंस? दोज हु स्टडी अबाउट आवर पास्ट. टू मेक देयर स्टडी ईजियर, हिस्टोरियंस हैव डिवाइडेड हिस्ट्री इंटू लार्ज पार्ट्स or periods having similar characteristics. During the mid-19th century, British historians classified Indian history into Hindu, Muslim, British period on the basis of the religion of rulers. They ignored other economic and social development of the subcontinent. 19th सेंचुरी के मिड में जो ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियंस थे उन्होंने इंडियन हिस्ट्री को हिंदू, मुस्लिम एंड ब्रिटिश पीरियड में क्लासीफाई किया था. दिस periodization is not followed today. Now economic and social factors are taken into account to characterize the important elements of the past event. On the basis of these, history is divided into ancient period, medieval period and modern period. 3 periods, which is ancient period, medieval period and modern period.